With every engineer looking to achieve the unmanned run or to run over the weekend, I've come to the Engineering Technology Group to speak with Steve Brown to find out what they're doing to solve manufacturers' problems in this area.
Historically, it would be a part that they've already machined. So we're partnering up with work holding specialists, with tooling specialists, we're the machine tool specialist, and we put those three elements together to give the customer the optimum cell. So what we've got here is a triag system, and basically it's a multi-part setup. So naturally with the 5-axis we can position the table, the B and the C axis, and we can attack each individual part, whether that be the same component or whether we've got Op10 and Op20. And basically what that does is optimises the process and gives that customer that extra out of hours running.
Okay, now that was the first solution, or the first feature that we're actually seeing here, Steve. The second one, of course, is this Erowa system here, which you can interface to this Quaser machine. What's the difference between that and what we've got here? And can both of them be used together?
Yeah, so that is your next stepping stone then. So we've gone from one part in a standard vise to now I've fixtured up eight components. Now we can have a multitude of different parts on a configuration of 10 pallets. So if we're saying that one pallet there can take 8 parts, obviously we can put that on 10 pallets and we can load up 80 parts all in all. Or we can have a configuration of all different arrangements of different parts. So it's just expanding on that out of hours running. Basically we're a machine tool specialist. We work with tooling people that are tooling specialists, work holding people that are work holding specialists, and Erowa, as our automation provider, is an automation specialist. So I think that's the key word in each topic through there, is the specialists in their particular area. That is completely adaptable. We can unplug it, take it away, put in a 20 pallet system, and the customer's back up and running. It'd be so easy for us, working with Quaser as a builder, to quite easily integrate that as one cell, paint it all nicely as one colour, and that goes out, and we compete with the rest of the market. Or we can be different and offer customers the flexibility and future-proofing themselves going forward. So the demand for this type of configuration as machine, I'd say, is pretty much every inquiry that we have. A customer wants some form of automation or that expanded more hours running. That may be on a standard VMC, and he's got a multi-part setup. That could be a 5-axis system with 72 pallets. We recently did an install on a 3-axis lathe with a multi-part setup. You know, that is not the known going back 12, 18 months ago.
So thinking automation, thinking unmanned run, should be thinking ETG.
100%. There's plenty of exhibitions going on around the country at the minute where people will be going along and seeing these pretty machines in different environments. Our permanent trade show is permanently open, and you should be coming along and see our offerings.